had this Craftsman mower. It's got the Briggs & Stratton engine. It's 190cc, 6.75. Anything else? Here's the model number. Model number is it's 917.370412. Okay, so my wheels have never been changed, as you can see. Totally gone. Well, that side has anyway. This is about what, 7, maybe 8 years old, this mower. Never changed the wheels or anything, but anyway, went online, looked at the parts for Sears, and they're 8-inch wheels. Now they wanted $25 plus tax plus shipping and all that good stuff. And then I looked online and I ended up getting them from Tractor Supply because they were $21 all in with the tax and everything. What I can tell you is the wheels I got are Husqvarnas. They're exactly the same as the Craftsman, but a lot cheaper. So that's what I got. The wheel is 532403111. Right, let's quickly do this. I'm using a, what is that, 9/16. You can get away with a 15mm, but these are old. Like I said, nothing's metric, so it's really simple. I was just looking for something to prop it up with. Oh, by the way, unplug your, I guess that. You know what? I thought that would look worse. It's actually, you could probably retread these. I might save that, I don't know. None of the teeth are worn. Look. Anyway, this looks good. That cog, you can see the other wheel going around okay. Let's put that back. So yeah, happy with that. Tighten that up. And that's tight, that's done. That one's done. What's this? Oh, it's the part number. I don't know if you can see that. 532403111. Right, let's quickly do the other one. Lefty loosey. Again, pretty good. Again, everything looks good. Let's put it back. Done. Simple as that. Right, let's pop that back. Well, that's pulling itself again, so that's a great thing. So that's really it. I mean, it took what? I'm not even joking, it took 5 minutes to do both wheels. So it's something really simple. And save some money, get the Husqvarna wheels instead of the Craftsman ones, they fit. Thanks for watching, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up as well.